Hello and welcome back to the YouTube channel of Beaver Biker. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss out any updates on bikes and adventure. Without any further ado, let's proceed to the video. Recent reports have emerged on the internet that said about Royal Enfield Thunderbird that will be replaced by a new plate dubbed by the name Meteor. Royal Enfield Meteor could be based on the modular platform J. This came into notice after a video being surfaced on the internet. The bike is reportedly codenamed Royal Enfield J1C0. It could have comfortable riding characteristics to appeal to the particular set of buyers. The new bike is expected to be launched in the market in mid-2020. Let's see what we can expect. It will sit on the flexible J architecture and be powered by BS6 compliant engine, whose CC is yet to be known, as the 499cc power plant won't see the light beyond March 2020. The new Royal Enfield Meteor is expected to feature an all-new engine, which is likely to be inspired by 650cc parallel twin units offered in the Interceptor 650 and Continental GT 650. It is likely to get a single-cylinder engine. The company could launch this motorcycle with an all-new engine with displacement ranging from 350cc to 500cc. The test mule of the Meteor can be seen sporting the newly designed tail lamp, digital instrument console, reduced vibrations, improved handling characteristics, and the responsive throttle is expected to be the main improvements, with lowered NVH levels. Redesigned headlamps, LED daytime running lights, LED tail light and turn signals, dual-channel ABS, single-port analog digital instrument panel, new seat, retro-inspired high beam and toggle switches could be a part of the package. For further information, we will need to wait a little longer for the officials to make a final call on this one. With that said, thank you for watching. If you really enjoyed it, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe if you haven't already. Want to know anything about bikes and stuff? Leave down your queries in the comment section. We will be more than happy to help you.